Here we're using a straight ASCII alphanumeric display, but it's coupled with a tablet in such a way that we can make use of several concepts which you've already seen with the sophisticated graphics terminal. I'll demonstrate this. The display has a moving cursor which tracks the position of the cursor on the tablet. So bottom left-hand corner, bottom left-hand corner. Now, the information which is displayed on the terminal is, in essence, the operating console of the instrument. There are a series of 8 scores whose information is set out in rows, and for each row I have a number of parameters which I can affect in real time. Let's take score 1 and go to the particular control called on-off. By pointing at the on-off switch and depressing the cursor button number 1, I can hear the score. The score plays once and then switches off. By moving to the next column for that score, I'll turn the cycle mode on, which will result in the score repeating once it's begun. We can now look at the other parameters. For example, working right to left, we have the parameter called richness. This is the richness of the spectrum. If I point to that parameter, I can type a value, let's say the value 20, and the spectrum of the sound will be adjusted to be increasingly rich. Rather than typing, however, I have other techniques which I can use to change the value. One of the key ones is the technique of dragging. In essence, every number on the display is a graphic potentiometer exactly of the same type as the graphic potentiometer seen in previous programs. That is, I point to the value, depress the Z button, and I can pull the value down. As you can hear, it gets clearer, or I can push it up. Functionally, we have a graphic potentiometer, although the output graphics are different, or they adapt to the fact that I only have an alphanumeric display. I can do the same thing to amplitude. Point to the amplitude, drag it up, pull it down. Or the articulation, make it staccato, or very resonant. I can even change the tempo, speed it up, or slow it down.